I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring an element exists to style. You can target document, body, or a div with an ID. Once done, open your script and write a getRandomColor function that returns a string like #rrggbb or RGB. Use math, random and math. Floor to produce 0 255 values or produce 2-digit hex pairs. This first step produces the color value you will apply immediately in the next slide. Now apply the generated color to the target element. Style, background equals getRandomColor. You should attach an event listener so you can change color on click or on a button press. Use element, add event listener click, equals. For automatic changes, call setInterval, equals element, style, background equals getRandomColor, 2000. Make sure to cancel intervals when not needed, and to prefer CSS transitions for smooth visual change if desired. To finish, wire up any UI controls and optional persistence. Save the current color in local storage if you want it to persist across reloads, then read and apply it on load. Make sure to clear intervals with clear interval when navigating away. If colors look too similar, constrain the range or pick from a palette. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing changes, open the console to confirm your selector matched an element, and that getRandomColor returns a valid string. Fix selector or return format accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.